Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Panda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic 1080 pixels TV. Televisions are something that can be used to gauge history. It has been there with us since 1920s and it has itself experienced an evolution. Nowadays we have got exceptional 1080 pixel televisions in the market or even more than that. But it all started with vacuum tubes 100 years ago. There are many includes all kinds of TV, budget type, big screen, small screen, full of features, etc. Let's discuss few of the brands and their models one by one. Starting with Sony Bravia KDL32EX400. It is the leading company when it comes to manufacturing televisions. It comes with great picture quality that will mesmerize you. This is a 32-inch television with 1920 by 1080 resolution LCD screen. It is equipped with ambient sensors and light sensor technology. Much of the predecessor of the Sony Bravia has 720 pixels, but undoubtedly they have the option of down convergence. Next is Samsung UN32 and 5300. It has always produced amazing televisions and yet this one is another piece. It has 1080 pixel resolution LED IPS display. This comes in a 32-inch screen size and is absolutely for small lobby or a room. The picture quality is excellent and due to IPS display you will be able to get a good size angle view. Third one is Sony XBR75X900F. Another amazing television from Sony is this model that is not under Bravia but is an excellent product. It offers a great display of 4K clarity and the looks are to die for. It has thick black bezels at the edges but however it looks like a showpiece. The brightness has been just perfect as expected from a Sony TV. Next is TCL 3 Series 40S325. This gives you an LED VA display with 1080 resolutions. However, you have the variants in screen size like 40 inches, 43 inches, 49 and 32. Whereas 32 model will not have 1080 pixel quality. You get a 720 resolution in the 32-inch model that is also pretty good. Next is Samsung QN65Q60. You must go for this model of Samsung if you want a TV with many more features and a QLED screen. This gives you natural colors and proper brightness. The screen is a flat 4K resolution QLED screen. It is equipped with the patent technology of its own, that is quantum dots technology. Next is OnePlus TV Q1 series. OnePlus is a leading company in mobile phones and has now finally emerged in the television industry as well. The OnePlus Q1 series is a product that will make awestruck you with its looks. It has a nearly bezel-less screen including a screen to body ratio as 95.7%. Next is LG 5300. It is a 43-inch screen sized television that will be perfect for any large hall in your house. It has a display of LED IPS type with a resolution of 1060 pixels. This TV is not going to disappoint you while watching from side angles at all. Last but not least, conclusion. We have come a long way in terms of evolution of televisions. Now we have got the best of technology and mesmerizing display in TVs like QLED other than old LCD TVs. The above listed televisions are all 1080 pixels televisions and available in many screen sizes. However, the list is not in a specific order but the best TV brands are added randomly. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.